Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, October 22nd, and I was in the BWT trade room this morning and I want to share with you the chart that I traded live in my Apex PA account, and I'm going to show you that right here. If I bring this chart up a little bit and scroll down, it'll show the account in use right here, and you can see it's one of my Apex PA accounts. I want to give you an example of the trade room, what's going on in our trade room. So in this Apex PA account, I had a net of a gross of 1665 profit, and here's the stats. There was 14 winners, 4 losers, 77.8% profitable, average winner 153, average loser 121, profit factor 4.4. Well, needless to say, these are pretty excellent stats. Now, this was hybrid trading. This was not full auto trading. This is the same template I used to qualify for a PA, but as I stated, I would not trade this fully automated. That's not allowed in Apex, but Apex has changed their rules to allow automated trading as long as it's attended, or hybrid trading. Hybrid trading is where I enter the trade, but I can bring the stops in with these buttons. I can bring the stop to break even. I can bring the stop to the high or low of the bar. I can bring the stop to the bid or ask on the first contract or to the bid or ask on the second contract. That's what this is. Another thing about hybrid trading, to enter the trade, I can use our horizontal trend line breakout, which would take me into the trade if it crosses this line. Right now the market's trading above this price, so it would have to come down to it. But for example, if I was to go long here, I would just put my trend line right there and it could take me into the trade. So hybrid trading, entering the trade, you can use the horizontal trend line ahead of time to take you in long or short, or you can use the buy or sell add button to enter the trade, or add positions, whether you're above or below your entry. So we have this enormous flexibility in the Autotrader to assist your trading in many ways. Once you enter the trade, all of your profit targets, trail stops, profit targets at the core levels, you can trail stops by all these ways: bars, ticks, percentage of profit, volatility stop, or even swing levels. And we have a trail stop reset. So as the trade progresses, you can change the type of trail stop to bring it closer, but that's easily accomplished by using the trail 50%. Every time you click it, it moves it half the distance closer. So you click it 3 times in a row and you're within 15% of where price is trading right now. Apex relaxed their trading rules, and here they are. There's no more flipping rule, no more DCA. You can add contracts. There's no bracket breakout restrictions, no morning open trade restrictions, no news restrictions. You can trade the news, don't go long or short. Bots, auto strategies allowed, just man them, don't set and forget. So fully automated trading is not allowed, but you can use an automated strategy as long as you're trading hybrid mode. And that's what they're saying here. Hybrid mode means you have to be watching your strategy. And that's exactly what this is. So for anyone that's ever questioned the rules for prop firms about using a strategy like this, to qualify, you can use a fully automated strategy. They don't care. But once you qualify, you really want to trade at hybrid mode. And BWT has the perfect software for doing just that. Now, these trades were tied to the calls in the trade room. And in our trade room, we don't call exact prices of trades because, again, when trading with a prop firm, they don't want to see 50 people entering a trade all at the same price. What we teach in our trade room is how to read the market in a way to determine where the buyers and the sellers are, the buy and sell zones. So those are plotted in advance before the open of the market, and I want to give you an example of that right now. So in our trade room, we typically show the core levels, which are these shaded areas. This is kind of like supply and demand zones, but much, much, much better. And the BWT trend bars also give excellent guidance as to your buy and sell areas. And you can see right here, the first blue bar, the green shaded area. This is the opening range here based on this bar. This is the 930 bar. So this shaded area is the 5-minute opening range, and then this other shaded area is the 830 opening range, and then somewhere in here, the yellow is the London opening range on a 5-minute chart. These are all important. We call these the Globex levels. Anyway, if you were to trade the BWT trend bars at the core levels, you would have massive profits on these first 3 swings. Now, before the market opens, George or John or Keith, our moderators in the trade room, will draw ellipses from this buy zone area down here, and they'll draw ellipses up here at the core trade levels before the bars go there, and I want to show you that in the trade room itself. Okay, so this is a screenshot, and here are the levels drawn, like I said, before the market opens, and you can see these are suggested areas to take profits, and based on what kind of trader you are, how long you can hold a trade like this. And this level shaded in here was kind of the highest level they expected, aside from the core levels here. Of course, it went much higher. This was eventually hit right here. But these levels were all achieved, and like I said, these are drawn before the open of the market. This was the expected downside. Excellent signals on the trend bars. So I just want to show you some comments in the trade room here, and you'll see, I'm going to scroll down here. Join our Discord channel. Look in the description for instructions.